What is up, everyone? This is Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows error code 0x800700E1, or operation did not complete successfully because the file contains a virus. So let's get right into this. So overall, the recommendation or the solution I should say I'm about to recommend, I don't overall recommend it because this can let other viruses, or maybe that specific file does have a virus, go through. So what I mean by that is, what you need to do is go to Windows Security, in your search bar, type that in, and go into virus and threat protection. In here, there's something called manage settings, and in here you can basically turn off these four settings over here, which is real-time protection, cloud delivered protection, automatic sample submission, and tamper protection. Once you turn this off, this is going to put you in a very vulnerable situation, but basically what's happening, that specific file, because it could be a false positive, that might not basically occur any longer. So that's step one. The step two, again, overall don't recommend this one, but step two could be that you basically allow a specific threat, which is you can go into this specific section, go to allow threats, and add in a specific, like from the protection history component, add in a specific filter to allow specific files to go through. So let's say it was being blocked here, you can do allow and let the basically file pass through and not persist any longer. This may or may not fix it, it kind of depends, but this is essentially one of the ways to fix this issue. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are a video, please thumbs up, down the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and I'm all turtles out. Peace.